The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that Miss Donna accused her of stealing from her. You see me? In these pieces of videos, she went on to talk about certain things and explain certain things as well, you see me? And other things that happened in these pieces of videos that I'm talking about. You see what I'm saying to you? So for you to get a good understanding as to what I'm talking about, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you, and this is a warning that some of the languages used in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I had decided I wasn't going to come back on live, but I have to address the situation in which with Miss Donna, Donna Marigo teaching you my cooking skill. So I have to address this situation right now. As you come along, tag people, send whatever you gotta send. Let it go viral, please. There's a situation going on now on Facebook that Miss Donna had accused me of stealing from her puddings and stuff like that. First, let me apologize to my family, my kids and my grandkids, my mom, because this has gone too far and it reached to their eyes right now. Don't watch my face. Yes, I know it's stressed out and I know I've been crying and stuff like that, but I have to get this under control right now. I didn't ask to sell Miss Donna's pudding. I didn't ask to put into this situation. Miss Donna was on live the 17th, 18th, 19th of September when she was trying to get somebody to pick up some puddings from some people at the airport. I put in the comment and I said, I am in near your daughter in Orlando, like an hour away, so I could pick it up and bring it to them. She texts me back saying, great. She announced it on her live. She was on her live. I didn't hear from her until the Saturday night. She said the lady is gonna come pick up the puddings, so she'll call me when she get to the airport. Sunday, I'm cooking my dinner. She called me and she says, the lady's at the airport. I'm like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? I run and leave my stuff. I said, let me talk to the lady. She said, the lady come on. So I said, just text me where you are and I'll come, because I think she was coming in Orlando, Tampa, one of that airport near, because I'm living all the way in Tampa. After she, let me drink some water because I can tell my sugar is going down. After I pick it up. No, I spoke to the lady and I said, send me your information where you at. And the lady said, you don't know Fort Lauderdale Airport. So I'm like, oh my God, you're coming in Fort Lauderdale? No, for people who know America, know where I'm at, Tampa to Fort Lauderdale. That's a far, far journey. That's a far journey. I'm not going to be looking at no comment or nothing. I'm just keeping my focus on what I'm about to say. And please don't call me while I'm doing this, because I'm not going to answer to nobody. I'm just getting myself clear right now. So the lady, when I spoke to the lady and she said, I Fort Lauderdale, I don't know Fort Lauderdale airport. I'm like, oh my God, you're coming in Fort Lauderdale? I said, I know Fort Lauderdale, that's fine. No, that's almost 5 hours from my house. I jump, leave my daughter dinner, left my son dinner, my grandpitney them dinner, and I run. My daughter get very upset because it was her first day back to work after having her baby. And you know, COVID went just come in September 19. It went on bad. So I'm like, let me bring the baby. She said, no, you can't bring the young baby, go so far. Then me say, leave it over by my niece. He said, no. So it bring like a contention between me and her to the state where she don't want me in her house because I'm living with my daughter. After an unfortunate incident that take place with me, I have to relocate with her, and I will explain that later down because it's already out. I went and on my way like 2 hours along the way. If anybody know how 75 stays, either you go in or you come back up. And if you're halfway your journey and you have to turn back, it's the same drive from West Palm Beach, come home, sell. Next morning, we go back to Fort Lauderdale, sell Miss Donna pudding. Miss Donna get her money, everything was fine. Miss Donna said, if you take $300, I tell her, no, I don't want no money. I will just donate back that money back to her. The money was short, like about $300. Me don't know how the money short $300. But the thing was, not realizing that the Cash App card do take a fee, because this is not a card that I get from Cash App. I used to have to use my bank, and for me to take out the money from there, I have to take it out right away because I don't know what's going to go happen. Me don't know about Cash App. Me never have Zelle yet. Me take her money and me put my money back on there and give it to her. No problem. She sent up her next batch. She said, if I go to Orlando, go pick up her daughter. I go up there and I pick it up. I not even know if nobody are here. I only know me have people on the line, but I don't even know if nobody even there here. But I'm going to go ahead and still talk. What they go on with this? I don't know what they go on with it. But I still go talk when I talk. So the second set come up, I have to go to Orlando to her daughter to pick it up. I went there, pick it up, everything was fine. It fell off, bam, bam, bam. Me there in my yard, me see 3 big old box drop. When it drop, me call her, me say, Miss Donna, put in there. And box there come from, you say, yes, he sent 3 box. And then when they are FedEx from, I say Monday, and that was the Wednesday, me get the 3 box. Now, she have to be at them, must see from Saturday, for them reach there. A FedEx Monday, for me, for clear it. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. You're hearing me? Good, thank you. Yeah. So, when we did it, and the 3 box reach, one of mash up, crush up, because a box then come in. Even though I didn't sell all of them, I still put money on there out of my pocket, because that's the person that I am. A lot of people didn't have the whole of them money. Then we have like $40 or $50. I give it to them anyhow and still add the money to it. No, me no want Miss Donna something them for thief. Me no want them for thief. I don't want them for eat. Me diabetic. Me not supposed to eat the same thing there. Me take one, me share for me and my friend. That was it. What Miss Donna feel for tell everybody is that I've been a donor. I'm going to come back to this story. I've been a donor to Miss Donna and our program for a very long time. And if anybody could go back to the videos, they will hear every time when I call or she call me, she will say, oh, me big time donor from Orlando or from Fort Lauderdale. I never tell Miss Donna to mention my name because I never want my name to be mentioned. I've donated thousands of dollars to Miss Donna's program. I have no reason to want to steal anything from her. Now, when time the pudding them reach and all of that and me sell, me notice say the pudding them start to have white something pan them, slime pan them, and they start to get bad. Now this is going on Friday, Saturday. I got them Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Me call Miss Donna, me tell Miss Donna about it. She said me fi sell them. Me keep selling. One lady got sick and called me. So I tell her throw it away. Don't eat anymore. Me call Miss Donna, me said, Miss Donna, the pudding them go bad. Miss Donna have videotape, which I have sent to everybody. Me FaceTime Miss Donna. Me say, see it there. The pudding them go bad. Miss Donna, they watch Miss Donna say, me no fi sell them, me fi dash them away. Me say, no, me don't carry them, go give your daughter in a Fort Lauderdale. She said, no, don't carry, go give me daughter, dash it away. I win and lose. So all is done. Me forget about it. Never knowing say Miss Donna they carry belly from September 19 until now. She sent me like 6 sets. I sell off everything. Last month, I pack a box. If anybody who know how box go, the D box container, what they pan the crate, hold like 7 barrel of stuff. I pack. Let me call this lady. Excuse me for a second. People just keep calling me. I'm gonna do it. I don't want nobody tell me say don't do it because I am doing it. Because if she can go,
hello?
hi sweetheart, I'm doing my live now. So I don't.
Come tell my story. Say me know say Donna thief. I me call they say donate money to somebody and she want me send the money to her. Me I go come in, man. Me I send you the request.
All right.
Me I come in.
Okay. Where was I now? Yeah. So remember this ship break my concentration. Yeah, by send the D box, the D container. It hold like 7 barrel of stuff. Me buy. Me have like about might be 20, 25 pound of rice, sugar, everything where you can think of in that box. A 7 barrel all in the box. When Miss Donna get the box last week Friday, before she get the box, me have it on videotape, video call and everything. She called me and begged me buy some vegan stuff, nuts and all of them something there. Me buy over $2,000 worth of stuff here. Me have me receipt them and stuff like that. But altogether the box hold like about $7,000 worth of stuff. I didn't check everything off in there because most of them was to give away to people. Stuff for Mr. Perry, stuff for Miss Claudia and the baby. Just to give away. Because that's the type of person that I am. Donna called me when she get the box and he said, Jesus Christ, which part you go make me go put this sitting here? All of me work at them all who they pan here, they buy can't hold in the box. So me have to empty the box out the door. When Miss Donna show me inside of our house, everything in a Donna house, from veranda, room, all bed, everywhere, full of the things them. Now Miss Donna, when say me supposed to collect how much $1,000 from our daughter to buy our stuff them, I did not collect any money from her. I have this stuff them in there. I have all my receipt and everything. Whatever anybody wants to say, you can stay there and chat and say what you want to say. Because you might have make me have to block you better keep you ask quiet on my page, because I will block the fuck out of you. Don't make me have nothing today. Miss Donna don't give me 1 cent to buy nothing, because me just a giggy like I'm an idiot. She called me this Sunday and she said to me, say, them broke me house and then thief out the whole of me sinting them. If me fi cook me dinner, me can't even cook me dinner, because say, bring them on camera. I will send them. I don't know how to do it because, hey, look here, me don't know nothing about computer and phone and sitting. But I will. I have it all here on tape. With all the stuff them that Miss Donna get in the box, I didn't figure that I should take pictures of them, but I have my receipt of them. But Miss Donna have camera in her house where she can pull the camera, because she's going to have to pull it, because she tell me say them broke her house and thief her things them, and she will call me back and me ball me and Miss Donna the ball. That time I fake balling. When me call her back in the evening after me talk to my friend Miss J and Miss Tet, where I say, then broke down her house and take away the something them. She said to me, say, if you ain't ever there near me, I'll give you a foot licking in your head. Because that's her exact word to me. You don't give me a foot licking in my head, because who can broke down a house? Nobody can broke down a house. I done a run Mountain View. Nobody can broke down a house. You must be damn idiot. In my mind, me I say, you know what? Donna see the heap sitting them. And he must figure out, say me go charge him for them. So he just come up with an excuse to say, oh, the things them, people thieving things them. Later on, me call her back in the house. Me say, Miss Donna, you see what you see on video? He said, Claudia. And one of the youth where they work there, he see them on the video when they thief the things them. And Claudia, the thief from him for a long time. Claudia, the thief from her. Because Claudia, from putting time in the thief, him and the people, them are FedEx and stuff like that. Me said, Jesus Christ. I had spoken to Claudia because me when get a message say, most of the shoes them were in there cannot fit nobody. They only can fit Claudia. And there was like about might be 60 pairs of shoes and slippers. New brand shoes them don't even wear. Me have it on video. Me when want Claudia to get at least a 10 pair out there. When me get to find out, say, Claudia put her foot in a one pair of one of the shoes and Miss Donna go along with one same thing and Claudia have to take it off. On top of it, the kid stuff them that me send down there, Miss Donna called me and she say, when me they send so much sitting come give I perry them for them can't go near me now we go expire. Me say Miss Donna they not expire till next 2 years or stuff like that, because I know what I'm doing. Me say share them amongst Claudia baby and Mr. Perry Pickney. He say nah give them so much if he can give people in the community. Me say fine, do whatever you want to do with them. Only if you find out say he give Claudia some and he start to ray and Claudia bring it back on him the way only when they go and bad. Claudia call me and tell me. This Sunday when time he call me and they tell me saying see Claudia on camera and sitting that very same Sunday she called Corona, whatever she name, and she say video camera surveillance. If you no go watch the live last week Sunday, you know we see it and know say me not tell no lie for Miss Donna like what she do to me. By then I know me no get dollar from Miss Donna. When me down there so first of January tapping, me never know me they have problem in my yard and my phone get cut off, not disconnected, cut off. Stick a pin right there, so before it reach there, so me there the phone place the weekend. Miss Donna called me. We want to settle up things because all know we no get to settle nothing. Everything settle. If you get $3,800 and something dollar, everything settle. And so if you take $500, me tell her me don't want none. Our cakes were fine and everything. Yes, me get complaint from people. Yes, me have to reimburse people. When me tell her, when she say, okay then, this is what you go do. Me say to her, say, Miss Donna, Me sleep at hotel 3 nights. It cost me over $400. Me have to drive from here, so and if I drive, you know what me do because I'm mostly delivery. Me have to buy gas and stuff. Me say it comes to almost $700 and me go and cut it in two for me and you. Me and you pay, and you pay half, me pay half. Number one, Miss Donna come on her live and tell people say, give me the day when me supposed to collect the 50 tablet. Miss Donna come on her live and say, the people them fi give me a $10 and a $15. Me say, no. You no go back go watch the live the day when me fi collect the 50 tablet. I say, I don't want no money from you. I will do what I have to do. When he call me down at the AT&T store, I say, it will be a share one. After me say to Miss Donna, say, oh, me they go get for me money now, because if you say me figgy, you pick me them the $3,800. Oh, me will get my money back from you. Miss Donna lick the roof. And she dey talk over me, and she dey cuss, and she dey quarrel. Marcia in the background, the girl give you sitting. No, know nothing about me. And she galang. Miss Donna, they cuss and but me must fling the money, give charity. Me say, Miss Donna, me give you more than $2,000, me give you more than $3,000, only $1,000 me give you. Both for yourself, for your people, them what they work for you, and people who is on your program. You never one day look for me and give me nothing. You beg me to buy the things them, and I send it down, make it deliver at your house. I didn't even pay for you to go to the wharf at your house. You now look for me and give me back $1. But yet you tell me to give you pitney them the $3,800. I send $2,000 to your kids. Your daughter, just, me not go come mash your daughter, nor nobody around you, Miss Donna. Just like how you mash up me and my kids them, and go big up and live, go talk about how me tell you things about my kids them. Me not tell you nothing about me pitney them. It's just that you make me have to neglect me pitney them. And because of that, my daughter tell me say me can't stay there because I something what me do all the time. And this was important to her. And me come and run left the picnic, go do your business. And that's the cause of me being homeless right now. Is because of you. Me not thief nothing from you. Me not take nothing from you. But try make sure so you have the video to show the police them when them broke your house. And me things them where you have up there, because there's about 40 pair. Me gonna make you go away with about 30. About 40 pair of shoes when you're supposed to go and mobby. You have up there where we get mistaken and come in your box, but you need to send it to my people them and Manti go be and me make the police them come for you. You no worry about that. You understand? You no worry about that. You never one day you come on your life and you talk about me thief and me thief. Donna, even if me call it for argument's sake, say me thief $2,000 from you. You get more than $2,000 from me. You come, they give them money, they call the people, them tell them, say, me overcharge them. You tell me if you price it like that. I only put $5 on there for my card because I have to pay my bank for the cash app card. And at the end of the day, me go have to file tax on the amount of money what coming for my card. You understand? Me, I'm a friggin' idiot. Me no way say nothing because me do it willingly. Me didn't call you and ask you for your stuff, Miss Donna. You drop it in a me lap. You drop it in a me lap. And then you go walk and tell people how much me thief you. And you don't give back people. All because you want to just use your sykes. Because money they done, you want to use your sykes pan them and say, okay. You go up and there, go tell them, say, oh, me thief, this and me rob you $2,000. So people go start give you $2,000 now by because of money what me rob you. I don't rob you anything, Miss Donna. And you get up the talk, say, God. Let me tell you something, man. The only thing when you know if you do, Miss Donna, you is a con artist. You is a thief. You is a liar. And you know if you read your Bible. Christianity don't have nothing to do with you. You put it out there, me pitney them, me carry news to you, can tell us, say me pitney them and me family them chat this and me family them chat that. That's not so the story go, Miss Donna, don't do it. When you done, you they talk about woman power and you tear me down like that for what? $2,000? Miss Donna, me give you more than that in a one friggin' day. I mean, no hear nothing about it. Me no hear nothing about it. Me donate to you like you can't even imagine me. You call me with your pitiful self and your sorrowful self. Me give it to you. You talk about me make parlor ball. Me never make parlor ball. When me send the money come down there, come give you. Me send $300 that parlor could share it up between you and him because you already went get early on. And me send the $300 down there. It so happened that when they do Miss Andrea house. And Spider never have no pay, no money, then come down for pay Spider. Me tell us if you give Spider that the $300 because me went already send $100. True Tommy fear. Because me go bring up their name because me no want nobody say me they tell lie. I send $100 to Miss Debbie. True fit Tommy fear if you went to buy 5 tickets for give away. And me call her back and me said, don't give her the 5 tickets. It depend live, Miss Donna. Me said, don't give her the 5 tickets. Use the $100 towards Spider then pay. You tell me you now give Spider the whole $300. And I don't think he had gotten the whole $300. I think he had gotten $200. You understand? You're wicked. And there is a thing that your granny never tell you, say. You shouldn't make you know, say. You shouldn't tell you that. Because it look like you chat everything what I'm saying. Everybody can go up on Facebook. Go catch our live them. I don't know we see it. Every time me call Miss Donna, me can hear a big donor till people that see me who know me. I'm a well-known person. You understand? You don't go chat about how much they right when if you rape me. Yes, me when put it out there. And nothing what nobody doing in this world not deserve nobody getting raped, Miss Donna. Nothing. So you people them what did they? And they make them comment them dirty Damian Fletcher. Let me tell you something, Mr. Damian Fletcher. Any man and Christopher Reed, any man what took down and piss like a me, you know no man. You can't talk to me. Because you're not supposed to took down and piss. You're not supposed to quat and piss and it look like a quat and piss or no quat and piss. And if it's done and no found no yam. And all who they class me, no know nothing about me. You understand? Yes, they raped me. I was kidnapped, raped and held hostage for a very long time by a pastor man. And that's why I'm asked they are prison right now. Life in prison without parole, and I'm leaving it like that because my people them never know. Some of them and they know now. And that's the reason why I lost everything and end up on my daughter yard. And for Miss Donna, if you bring it out on social media, that's fine. Because I'm over it and I'm not going to kill myself. Because you know what? Me have some beautiful and precious grandkids. I mean, I'm going dead left them, Miss Donna, because see what you do to me now. I could not just drive the car into the pool, into the lake, at the train station or wherever and done it. Because that's how me feel. Me not have you take everything out of me now. You understand? Everything out of me is done. Me not have nothing else left in me. No more pride, no more nothing at all. If you notice everybody around you dead, Miss Donna, if they're not dead, then turn worthless. Because you suck out everything out of them. And I have to make this clear. I did not rob you of nothing and all you had was to do. Because when Opal called you and said to you, leave it alone. Leave it alone. No. You have to take your twin look here and depend they call me name. Don't call me name. And who they talk about, oh, me hungry. Me hungry? Me hungry? You no know how me good. I will never be hungry. I will never be hungry. I don't have bills to pay. I never pay from 2015 until now. Me no pay no bill. The Jeep when me I drive by new brand. Cash. The insurance and my daughter they pay. I don't pay no for my bill. Me live well. Me come America and me dey over here 30 odd years. And me make sure so me file for the whole of me people, them my siblings is here. If never for me, none of them who no there. So me no come here, come sit down. Me used to do me 3 and 4 and 5 work. Who know that God dig up me page fi come chat about how much me married to me patient. No, me not married to no fucking patient, but yes, me married to a fucking millionaire. Me walk away from millions. So this $2 little dollar, Miss Donna, $2,000. If you ain't want a $2,000, Miss Donna, any one of me pick them and my sister them, or my mother, you couldn't just call them and say, me I look at $2,000 and nothing for them give it to you. You can't slander people name, so. You cannot do that. And you take me name and you drag it through the mud. No one not mock me. Then get up and then chat and then chat. Then get up and then chat. Then no top chat. Look on them all call me. Look on Demi and Fletcher do everything. There's a few man depend on a program. You don't know who man. Come off there. But no depend there they do. You no lap you no fractal more than how any man woman would lappy. Bobby, me can't answer you right now. Me know say your sister me depend the life. Me can't answer you right now, brethren. Me can't answer you now. Me not go kill myself over what happened. Because it bad. It bad. When you see people go call me. If never for Miss Donna right now, me no homeless. I would never be homeless and Miss Donna. If after September me sell your pudding them. And me have the tape and me go release the whole of them. All when the woman a quarrel and I say how much the cake this and the cake that, the pudding this and the pudding that. Me sell your cake in a September. And we have this problem from September. You have all of the tapes and everything from September. And this is now January. You go talk how much you ain't like me and how much you ain't this. Why you keep sending your stuff here? Why? Why you keep sending it? I know you know they give back people money, but how much that them me rob them. You the one who depend your life. You the one who depend your life. Tell the people themselves give me a tip, give me this, give me that. And me tell you no, me not do it. And this we buy the cake from me and pudding and go call you if you tell you say me overcharge them. You can't pay $15 or $10. They deliver to you 2 hours away where you live because remember now, you know, after me drive 5 hours from Tampa to Fort Lauderdale, you know, me have to find some of them drug infested yard, germs place where then they walk, gun place where then they walk hour and 2 hours and a half to deliver. They collect $15. They collect $15. And you go walk and tell, boy, you they give back $15 and $10. You can't be giving back money. You tell me to charge them. I only put $5 on there. But if me may follow other people, if me follow them and tell them to leave you alone, if me follow them, then I was warned. I was warned to leave you alone and just damn garbage them. Where you the drugs, they put drugs in and make they sell ya. The drugs, the people them. Yes, Miss Donna, me say it. You the drugs them. All sort of drugs are sinting in and you put in them and you keep them. That's why it's so addicted. So you need to get your lawyer standby because it look like your lawyer never tell you say, me can file a scam claim against you because you are a fucking scammer. You are a scammer. You are a thief. You are a criminal. You talk about you no control who get money from your program and who no get it. Yes, you do. Because every time that me send down money and me tell us if you give me some Perry this, you tell me say you're not give him because I ain't get enough. Me tell you if you give Spider this, you say you're not give him can't get enough. Anybody who forget the money, you not give them. You do what you want to do with it. So don't call me name. And call me picking them name or me family them name because me not go through for you picking them under the bus. That's why you picking them no one sell nothing for you. That's why they not sell nothing for you, Miss Donna. That's why they're not selling nothing at all for you. And you not gonna make me kill myself. Me have to wipe off my mouth. Yes, me have to wipe here because you don't know I'm diabetic. I'm type 2 diabetic and my sugar is dropping. I have not eaten a good meal since Miss Donna did this to me. You understand? And if me dead tonight, me just want to know say this come off of me because I did not rob you of nothing. Right now you owe me, that me owe you. I don't owe you nothing. And I'm sorry, I say if I follow my mind, that $2,000 that I sent to your daughter, I would have never sent it to her. But because my friend said to me, say Maxine, send the money, go get the girl. Miss Donna, you know nothing good. And me tell you something, that's why the fish them they dead, because the fish them realize say you are sending off energy. Everything around you, you suck the life out of it. Everything while they around you, you suck out the life. That's why you fish them they dead. Let me tell you that. You don't know nothing good. Because simply going to a restaurant fascinate you. Baby girl, let me tell you something. If you don't reach the restaurant yet, by the time you reach the door, they give you a warm rug to wipe your hands. They draw out your chair for you. You don't reach nowhere yet. You think say go up there, say go buy one fish and go up there, say go. Miss Donna, me no come you have to come back show or something, but you need to tell the people them the truth. Me no owe you nothing. Me do not owe you nothing. Me they run you down for you something them. Me there Miami, you call me. Say your daughter them get scared me if you go up there for the cake. Me tell you say me can't go up there now at 5 hours me there. When me call your daughter for the pudding them, your daughter said nobody now come at the yard until 6 o'clock in the evening and she not sell nothing. You call me and say, tell them to put you out the door. Make you come pick you up and me say, Miss Donna, go deal with your picnic them. Because me not get into that. Who dare you go talk about me, tell you things about my kids? I don't tell you nothing about my kids. Whatever problem we they have, yes, me say it to you, but me not tell you the reason why me daughter say me have to leave. And because of you, Miss Donna. And because of you. Because me run left them, neglect them and run left them. No call me name. Do not call me name. Me don't owe you nothing. And you they collect money off of my behalf because people they give you how much $1,000. Nobody must not even give you nothing. But just because you want to use your sykes pan the people them. They say, oh, if me do that, people go send money to me daughter Zelle and stuff like that. Me don't owe you nothing, Miss Donna. Tell the people them the big old box where you get there. Tell them what you get. Tell them what you get and don't call me name. You come out with big bag of sweetie, they give the people them. Me they send sweet if you don't pick me. Because they are sweet in there. The Chinese sweetie them what you get and never fi pick me for the big people them. Me see you give Miss Richie wife you get me see you give everybody a lot of people. Yes, thank God you give them. But this is not charity, Miss Donna. This is not how you do God's work. When you do God's work, Miss Donna, nobody know if you know where you left know, you right now if you know it. And say call yourself a Christian and all you do a brag and boast. Who the frig you the brag and boast pan? Miss Donna, these things are vanity. It's vanity. I don't give a fuck about money. I don't give about food. I don't give about clothes and boot because Miss Donna is not a millionaire. You can't have enough clothes and boot like me. I am telling you that. Perfume man ain't sitting there. Perfume now gonna make you smell good if you stink inside out. Don't call me name. Do not call me name. You need to go retract whatever you do. And yes, you did fire Claudia. You did fire Claudia. And when Pink Wall stink you up done, And when they stink you up done, you go call Claudia. Claudia come up there for meeting. For meeting come. And because me no want to get certain people involved. Because when me and Claudia and the other person up on the line, and she tell me say she put her foot in the shoes and the way how you behave enough you hit Miss Donna. The little food when me send down there for the baby, you turn round, this the woman for the food. And when you're done, you they come go on like you're a big charity giver. Charity come because we up here as fucking idiot donors send the money down there to you. And not for your money. And not for your money. And people who know me, go sit down and chat. Sit down online, yeah, so can me see you now, me screenshot everything. And me wonder why Facebook not take you off of Facebook already because say you don't know what. Me use one simple word, bitch. And by the time me couldn't use it, then take down my page. They warn me. They send warning to me. Miss Donna, all me want you do is tell the people them you made a mistake. Instead of it come and they drop you 1 and 2 words, might be you talk too soon or might be you this. No, you don't. Company just like how you call me name and say Miss Maxine. So and so, so and so. Me good. Me good because trust me, this is not the worst me I go through. But when me personal life, the attack, me I go jump up and make me tell you something. You better draw one they do. See? You better draw one they do. Yes, my face look tired. It tired. Because you don't know I'm stressed. Because Miss Donna, if you went there nowhere in America, yeah, so. Or then nowhere near me. Girl, you don't know. You know, sister, you can't turn a Mountain View. Come out of Mountain View for 1 second and you will know what happened to you, Miss Donna. You tear down everybody. You stress out everybody. You suck the life out of everybody. See the little man come at your yard, come frighten you. When they know? When they? Tell the people them when they and what do him. Tell the people them what happened to Saloni. Tell them. Instead of you they walk and they make mischief and they call me name. Don't call me name. Me not owe you nothing. You might have to go pay back all their money that will come down there. You might have to pay them back because say me have 2 more donors. And believe me, say you go have to give account for all of them the money there. $1,000s of dollars me give you. When you come up here and call, you're a scammer. You's nothing but a scammer and a damn thief and a fast talker. And think you can't overtalk nobody. Me say nothing no call me. Hello?
Yeah, hi, Maxine. How are you?
I'm not good. I'm telling you the honest to God truth. I'm not good. Because what Miss Donna they do to me.
Let me hear my 2 penny in a day. You see Donna? Listen to me. You see Donna? She's a fucking thief. She's a damn thief and don't let she stress you out. You make she stress you out.
It's not that she's stressing me out. It's the fact that my kids and my mother have to stay into Canada and to see all of these things.
Let me tell you why I know it's a Donna church here, please. I don't remember if you remember this girl when couldn't walk with her baby father got Donna yard to help when they married and you saw the 2 of them after that because Donna know.
Yes, because she sacrificed them. She sacrificed everybody.
I called Donna and tell her someone get in contact with the gentleman come the one send him my money. Come spirit they give me to donate to him. Me no donate to Donna program come me no believe in it. You know what Donna tell me say? She's on the contact with the man. I said to her, could you give him my number then if you have no contact or no number for him? She said, this should see them. You see the next day, Mr. Donna donate to the people then. I call her back. Yeah, what Donna go tell me must send the money to her and she will get away to give it to him. I said no. Because you have to go pay people to go for the money and it's $100 more. Him get the money personally.
Hold on. Yes, you can sacrifice people. Yes, you love them because you're getting their money. So whoever they can talk about say you can only sacrifice people you love. Yes, she do. Yes, she do.
Do not listen to Donna cross system. Speak your truth and leave it like that. Don't listen to Donna cross system.
Me not lie pan Donna. Me not lie pan in Carolina and go put me nowhere. I've been donating to her charity for a very long time, so the whole of can cock up on the clock there and chat on the one chat. You understand? I whole heap of money me donate to Donna. Hold on. I whole heap of money me donate to her. Whole heap of money me donate to her. And me never tell her if she ever call me name a different name because I whole heap of sister we. So I don't know which name come down with which. A three surname me have Foster, Proctor and Anderson.
And you send me the proof so they couldn't spoil.
She know the pudding spoil. She know the pudding spoil because I send her this.
Donna alone me here say pudding can't stay till next year. Pudding cannot last. Here can't stay forever because all you have to do is wine it. Pudding cannot last. Pudding easily spoil. It spoils. Donna pudding, me don't know what she put in it. Me shock every time me hear she say.
Look here, me no care if that, look here, your mind tell you said that. Look here, may I read 1 and 2 comments. Your mind tell you said Donna do everything good. No, she don't. No, she don't. Donna is a human being just like me and you, and she make mistakes just like everybody else. But she's gone too fucking far now. She is gone too far. Because all what she went have to do is cool her ass. $2,000? Me don't need more than 2,000 to Donna alone. Much more to our program.
She don't have to call Donna and tell Donna to send back her money because she give it from a good place.
Me can't call Donna because from the minute me open my mouth and chat about Claudia the night she blocked me. So I cannot call her and you cannot talk to Donna. If you hold on. If you know Donna, Donna don't listen to nothing what nobody have to say. Ever they chat over people. And when she called me, I said to her, Miss Donna, get the fuck off of my phone because say I am not talking to you right now. I'm upset. She passed the phone to Paula. Paula still listen to whoever went sit down into the chat. Me say, Paula, me not talk to you right now neither. When me calm down, I will talk to Uno. And that was the end of the month. By the time me wake up the first of the month, my phone was cut off by my son-in-law. And me left it at that. So me never have no phone and nothing for even reach out to nobody. Me have to go AT&T myself. So no don't fucking chat nothing while no don't know upon ya. Because same like how no give Donna the opportunity to chat what she want chat. Yeah.
Now listen to people. You see the woman named Paula? Watch her judgment and go take her. Watch what happen to she. Because she has a credit name to Donna to you know. You say I see how she wicked?
Yes, that's you know what? That's the part that upset me. Is somebody comment and say she put up my picture. Yes, that's the part I didn't see it. But my mom stay in Canada and see it, but she doesn't know how to Snapchat up to take it off. When she's gonna go put up my picture, you better have your fucking attorney ready. You better have it ready.
What you need to do is call the police and she said Claudia. And one boy, some of them where you send to sell, let the police, because Donna yard full of cameras so she can't tell it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna get the police and send there because our house is full of camera. And since somebody had broken into her house and steal all of those stuff that was stolen from there, she's gonna have to show the police where steal from when I steal. You talk about how you dash with my stuff them. You can't dash with nothing Donna because me already see you start bake with the domino sugar and all of them nuts and something. You already start bake with them. You already name what you fin name already Donna. Since you lead it out there so. You can't dash with nothing. You cannot dash with nothing.
Let me call the police and bet the police go yard to the video. Because she tell you it's Claudia and one other boy she say.
That's what she tell me.
Yeah, let the video show.
So when I spoke to Claudia and I said, Claudia, who Miss Donna fire over in yard? He say no fire nobody. Me say, oh Miss Donna no fire nobody. He tell me, see you and one boy what they work the teeth, the things them and you the teeth in putting from when. Miss Claudia turned to me and say, in not even go comment about that. In the wait for hear Miss Donna come on live with her name and then she will see the mashing up. So Miss Claudia, Miss. Yeah, because they have to go back. Miss Claudia not have a choice because make Miss Claudia open him out and say that say if Donna not make Miss Claudia get beaten. Make him open him out.
Them can't talk and show you the one of them fools. Even you yourself to Maxine. I'm blaming you.
Yes, I don't listen. I am taking the blame. I am taking the blame.
Sherika want a man to kill her and Sherika set up man. But yet still man beat Sherika and Sherika so much bad man and none of us trouble Donna. Like really? That is a wicked and she have kids. She have kids.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Donna control all of the police them and everybody at Mountain View. But let me tell you something. Me no need Mountain View police to go at Donna yard. Me no need Mountain View police. Me we get special agents if we go at Donna yard.
No police. No police. You know how Donna react when she up there. The see one day Donna can one window. That is lady out and the lady said, no, keep the window because they might keep it. You hear what Donna says a Christian? Nobody can teach nothing up here, so. And Donna this, they will get
but listen to me now. When Donna tell me last week Sunday says boy broke in her house and thief out the whole and sitting if he cook not even one can when me send come in or have not even one peas, not even one bag of the rice. Me said Donna you get over 30 yard bag of rice, 25 pound of rice. How the boy if he thief out so much sitting? All of the shoes them over 60 pair of shoes. Listen now, me cry. And me call me friend at Fort Lauderdale and me say me friend, you know so them broke in a Donna house and thief is sitting the girl laughing, no excuse me if you call her girl cause a big woman bigger more me. And he said, Maxine, if you ain't ever done you give you a fuck lick in your head because if you are idiot me go find out. Broke in a which part of Donna house? In the later on, and me called Donna, I said, Donna, you see who do it? He see a Claudia and the boy there on the camera alone, he see. And the same time, he come on pan live, and he said to Corona, camera, video, and me head chip, and me not ready for chat about it, and I saw she dey go on. But just because me ask Miss Donna for me money, Miss Donna go talk and tell people, Jesus Christ, help me now today. Me no want to sink him. But what Donna do to me? But that's what me I look pan for know said Donna don't even have a place for herself. A people place Donna they pan. Donna believes that because he get up and buy one fuckery van over the world. Or the world him buy a van. Or the world. No. Donna how much vehicle me buy? This is one that me have right now. What cash me buy? But me say, I chew me when they go through things, you know. I chew me when they go through things when time me turn and look on Donna program and say, oh God, it's a young girl and she had do such a good for people. And me pick you up on me head and me send me money good on there and me send me money. And I saw me send it for Seloni, I saw me send it for Miss Joanne, I saw me send it for Miss Perry them. I saw me send it for Miss Maxine, I love her because I'm a namesake. When me look, me say Audrey no have no money for pay Spider. Me send the money good on they go give Donna. And me say Donna give him. The morning when me call because this misunderstanding was going on between them and the paying of money for whatever. And me just call Paula. Me say Paula, the money when me send come give you. Me know say me send it come for you no. But please give it to Miss Andrea. People them what they work for me, please, and I will send back some money for you. And that was how the argument go. Donna run with the argument and go chat something about Paula thief.
You
see?
Donna have a capture
You see, so, you need to come off of my page. It's a for me page. It's not Donna page. This is not Donna page. Nobody no bad mind for nothing. Nobody no bad mind like a Donna. Nobody no bad mind like a Donna, because when you send your money good on the Donna, go tell you who figgy and who no figgy. And if you notice when him a give out the money, you ain't galang. So no come chat about no bad mind. Yeah, so nobody no bad mind Donna for nothing. What the fuck Donna have what nobody can get? Why have what nobody can get? You understand? Nobody no bad mind Donna for nothing. Vanity or vanity. Well, you don't understand. Look how Corona wipe out every fucking body. Wipe them out. You think a little millionaire, billionaire, then dead and gone and left them riches back here. Nobody not what Donna have? Donna no have no style. Donna no know. Bad mind what? Bad mind what? People no shut up on the mouth.
Donna have a house full of flowers like she made her. She have already did them. What she have to people?
But bad mind. Nobody not bad mind. Donna for nothing.
Me have a house in a gated community.
Me no pay a bill. Them all chat about oh me hungry. Oh me hungry. Oh me hungry. Me can't hungry and they send so much $1,000 go get Donna. And other charity down there, I'm not gonna call their name. Me can't hungry. Nah, them not come call me down. Who the fuck them think them is? They not pay me bill. I haven't paid a phone bill for 3 fucking years, and my son-in-law used to pay. On January 1st year, and decides that since me have so much fucking money they give people, in cut that fuck off. She go call to say me black. What me the black? Who me the black? I don't give a fuck what nobody want to say. Because if Donna can't do it, fuck you and go pray for it. Why me can't do it and go pray for it too? But the fact of the matter is that speak the truth. No matter what it's going to do to you, speak the truth. Don't come tear me down.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, whenever someone is telling me something that happened, or if someone is telling me a story, as how some persons might call it, I always believe that there are more than one sides to a story. So, therefore, there's not much I'm going to say about some of the things that this person said in those pieces of videos that I just presented to you. See me? Alright, just to be very clear, I just presented to you pieces of videos that are from an entire video that is out on social media, and according to some things that have been said on social media about the entire video that is out on social media that I'm talking about, it is said that the video shows a female who said that Miss Donna accused her of stealing from her, which is Miss Donna. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I took pieces of the video and present it to you. You saw me, I said to you, put them together and present it to you. The reason why I did that is because some parts of the video was glitching, and you know, some harsh languages and so forth, certain ways, you know. But we present those pieces of videos to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said, and you can also let me know what you think. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, there's a saying that says there's more than one sides to a story. You see me? So, you know, I am just letting you know what go on. You see me? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this person had said in these pieces of videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.